Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we do question number 12 from worksheet 4. Link of worksheet 4 is in description. You get it in description. Now we do it. For doing it, we suppose log x equals to t. Base is e here. Log x base e equals to t. So it means x equals to e to power t. Now we differentiate both sides. We get dx equals to e to power t dt. Now put it here. Value of x is e to power t. Sine. Value of log x is t. Value of dx is e to power t dt. Now it becomes e to power 3t sin t e to power t dt. E to power t and e to power 3t, it becomes e to power minus 2t dt. We can suppose it as I. Now we do it by integration by parts. We suppose sin t as first function and e to power minus 2t as second function. Now first function as it is sin t and second integration of second function which is e to power minus 2t upon minus 2 minus sign of integral. Differentiation of first function which is sin t, so differentiation of sin t is cos t. Now integration of second function which is e to power minus 2t. So integration of second function is e to power minus 2t upon minus 2 dt. Now we can write it as minus e to power minus 2t into sin t upon 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2 cos t e to power minus 2t dt. Now again we apply integration by parts. Suppose cos t as function 1 and e to power minus 2t as function 2. Now we apply integration by parts. First function as it is, integration of second function e to power minus 2t upon minus 2, differentiation of cos t is minus sin t and integration of e to power minus 2t is e to power minus 2t upon minus 2 dt. E to power minus 2t sin t upon 2 plus minus minus, it becomes e to power minus 2t cos t by 4. We have three minuses, minus, one minus is here, one minus is here and one minus is here. So it becomes minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. It becomes e to power minus 2t into sin t dt. Now we can see that it is the original question, e to power minus 2t sin t dt, and its value is I. Put it here. In LHS we have I minus, we take common as e to power minus 2t upon 4. So in the bracket we have 2 sin t plus cos t minus 1 by 4. This integral is equal to I. Put the value. Now rearranging on it, we have I plus 1 by 4i minus e to power minus 2t by 4, 2 sin t plus cos t. I plus 1 by 4i, 4 1 ja 4 plus 1, 5 by 4i. Now it becomes 5 by 4i equals to e to power minus 2t by 4, 2 sin t plus cos t. 4 cancel out from both the sides. I equals to e to power minus 2t by 5, 2 sin t plus cos t plus constant of integration which is c. Now we put the value of t, which is log x base e. Put it here, e to power minus 2 log t upon 5, 2 sin, value of t is 2 sin 2 log x, value of t is log x, so it becomes 2 sin log x plus cos log x plus c. Minus 2, we can take it to x to power as x to power, so it becomes e to power log x to power minus 2 by 5, and we can write it as 2 sin log x plus cos log x plus c. Now value of e to power log x to power minus 2 is x to power minus 2 upon 5, 2 sin log x plus cos log x plus c. It is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching my channel.